Minister, I'm glad you're here, Minister Butler. This is something we've engaged in on the floor of the House in relation to public nursing home beds. And you may recall I was delighted you called for an audit of public nursing home beds last year. And I'm trying to get a copy of that audit. I think you failed to get a copy of that audit. I've now failed to get a copy of that audit. And what I have found out, and thank you for the answers, is in the CHO area there are 591 beds, 91 are closed. In my own town, in my own county, taking both sides, the city and the county, there are 256 beds, 250 are closed. In a situation where we have waiting lists and I cannot get information, and you have rightly said to plan for the future, to change the relationship between public and private, we need that essential information.
Minister.
Thank you very much, for your question, and yes, I have been engaging with you on it. So the latest update I have, and I think my office may have went back to you and maybe they have not, that you will have to request it from the HSE in person.
Sorry, I did.
You did? Yeah.
I have to ask specific questions.
Yeah. No. Look, it's an internal document, but I was able to facilitate you with the details for your own Galway area. But Minister Donnelly has just said to me now, because I know the reason why you want it. It's a very important document, and we want to continue to make sure that we have HSE beds open. We don't want to see any more of them closed. The reason for the closures at the moment are in relation to, say, staffing issues, but we are pushing the whole time to have any HSE beds open.